The crossroads, where ideas, resources, and strategies converge, becomes the point where solutions are born. Kazakhstan, the heart of Eurasia, where global flows turn into a well-defined framework of opportunities, shaping a resilient and adaptive economic environment. This is where resources meet technologies, ideas turn into reality, and initiatives lead to sustainable outcomes, enhanced by digital solutions and artificial intelligence that optimize processes, improve predictive accuracy, accelerate decision-making, and enable scalable, next-generation business models. As for partners, the region's development is no longer about separate projects, but about shaping a fast-growing market built on reliability and long-term value. The crossroads that shapes dialogue. The core of this process is the Bern Union, a platform that brings together export credit agencies from around the world for finding solutions that shape the future of international trade. Kazakhstan's investment climate is shaped as a comprehensive system of opportunities, where Byterek Investment Holding plays a key role as the driver of economic growth and business support. The Export Credit Agency of Kazakhstan holds a special place in this system, serving as the guardian of national interests on the international arena. The agency represents Kazakhstan in the Bern Union, integrating the country into the global ecosystem of export financing, guarantees, and insurance. For the first time in Central Asia, the Bern Union Spring Meeting is taking place in Astana as a sign of trust and a shared commitment to moving forward. Welcome to Astana. Here, decisions become reality.